These guys are making $10 to $100 just by watching videos. In today's video, I will explain their exact secret of making this much money. You can make $7 if you watch one video, and if you watch 10 videos, you can make $70. So keep watching to change your financial state. First of all, go to YouTube, and here on the left side you will see Explore. YouTube will show you latest most performing videos of shopping, music, movies, gaming, etc. Click on Gaming. Here you can see top live games that are getting maximum views currently. Just click on Minecraft, it is one of the most popular games. Now, you will come over to this page, here you can see this game is getting a lot of live views. Click on any of the live streams from here, now you can see many people are watching this video, and there are a lot of demands to watch this type of videos, and so there are a lot of opportunities to make free PayPal money through these videos. Keep watching till the end, as I will give a bonus tip in the end, that can make 9 times more money than usual people. In a few seconds, I will explain you exact method by which you can make a lot of free PayPal money with these types of YouTube videos, and the best part is that you can copy this again and again for distinct YouTube videos. To turn your audience into real money, you have to go on the second website which will support you to make PayPal money. As you can see, here people are making $10 again and again by watching YouTube videos. In this website, you can make free PayPal money by shortening the links of YouTube videos. The name of this site is 7r6.com. Here you can withdraw your earnings in different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Payeer, etc. For example, if you click on the share button in any YouTube video, you will get the link of that video. By clicking on the copy, the link of that video will be copied. Now, go to this website, and paste that link here, and click on this red arrow button. A unique link will be generated. You can copy that link by clicking on this icon. If someone clicks on this unique link, you will make money. This is exactly how the people here are making big money. You can see their insane payout rates, like, if you will get one click of a United States person, you will earn $3, the same $3 you can earn for the United Kingdom, Canada and for Australians per click though, and for remaining countries you will get $2 per click. Click on the sign up button on the top right corner, then put a username, email address and a password and click on this checkbox and then click on register. After making the account, your dashboard will look like this. Click on the new shorten link on the top left corner, here you can paste your YouTube video links, and make free PayPal money by shortening them. Go to your YouTube video, and click on share button and then copy your video link. Now go back to your dashboard and paste the video link in this box, then just click on shorten, and this is our shortened link. Just repeat this process for 2 different YouTube videos, as the more videos you shorten, the more PayPal money you will make. Just focus on this particular category, as it will help you to make more PayPal money. If you guys are loving this video, then like the video and comment down below your name, as I will select one comment from this video and give away $30 PayPal credit. Go to Facebook, and search Minecraft here, then click on Groups. Here you will see countless Minecraft groups. As you can see, this group has 89,000 members, this one has 34,000 members, and all the people here are highly targeted for our videos. Just join these groups, and go to one of the group. Here you can see, many people are sharing their achievements related to Minecraft. Also, these people are getting good engagement here, but they are not posting any video link. The members of this group are very passionate about watching Minecraft videos, so you can get a good amount of clicks from here, and make a lot of free PayPal money. Just post similar posts like highly engaging posts, and put your video link at the end, with appropriate call to action. For example, to recreate this type of post you can play your Minecraft video on your phone or laptop, and then take this type of photo in between the video, and can put something like, "This discovery is really cool. Here's his video link." Now, all the curious people will click the video to see how this was found in the game, and you will get a lot of clicks, and therefore you will make free PayPal money. But for that, you have to watch the full Minecraft video. Now, it's the turn of your special bonus that I have promised you. I am going to share with you a done-for-you script, that you can directly use in Facebook groups, and make a lot of free PayPal money than others who have left the video. So, this is how I designed this script. Have you guys watched this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It is fantastic. Watch the video/live stream now. Here you are going to put the shortened link of the Minecraft video. Just go to your 7r6 dashboard, and quickly copy the shortened link, and paste it here in the script. Now, just copy the entire script, and you can directly paste this in Minecraft Facebook groups, or at the end of your self-made group posts. You don't have to do a lot of work, as these Minecraft videos are getting a lot of views these days, and they are also trending in the gaming category. That's why these guys are making a lot of free PayPal money by just watching videos. If you want to know how I made $700 just by listening to music, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.